Hey y'all, just sipping on some tequila, reposado, that Grand Centenario. But anyway, on to the nails. So, we're going to be doing a cat eye heart nail today. Super cute and easy design. I'm starting off with this silver base cat eye, and I'm going to do two coats. On the first coat, I'm just going to put it on, and then the second coat, I'm going to put it on and actually use the magnet a little bit. I'm not really tripping about what the cat eye design looks like on the base of this nail because really the star of the show, or it's going to be the hearts. So it's not really a big deal what that looks like. So anyway, if you're wondering why my nail is short, it's because I use my thumbs a lot. I mean, I'm sure y'all do too, but I work so much better with short thumbs. The other nails, they can be long, but my thumbs, like, they really have to be short. Like, I learned the hard way that that's just me. I'm a short thumbnail girl. But anywho, I'm not going to talk the whole time. I'll let you guys just watch the video. So right here, I'm doing the black base just because I want that red to really, really pop when I put it on top. I'm going to use a red cat eye to go over the black. And I'm going to do the same method that I did with when I painted the nail. Like, I'm just going to go over it one time. I'm just going to put it on one time regularly without the magnet. And then the second coat, I'm going to use the magnet to make it do what the effect that I want to give it, you know? So anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far.